Welcome back everyone to the Collector Channel. Today I'll be opening up some more packs from this 1984 Topps hockey box. Opened up some packs already in a different video, and today I'll be opening a bunch more. Still have a ton of packs to open. So I'll set this aside and I'll show you some of the rookie cards and some of the star cards I've opened so far. This is obviously not a Gretzky rookie, but a really cool card to pull and definitely worth putting in a case. So I'll set those aside and grab my first pack to open. Get it focused in nicely so everyone can see. There's the gum, it just kind of split apart there. Which is understandable, it's pretty old gum in there. Alright, not much in that pack. And again, with like all of my videos, so if I pass something up, like a good star card or a rookie card you think I should put in the holder, please let me know in the comment section below. I've gone through and researched my stack. Doing that, I found a lot of stars, because sometimes I miss stuff. Here we go, here's the All-Star card, that's a cool card. And the All-Star Gretzky right behind it. Definitely I'll put this Gretzky in a case, so I'll set that aside. Keep getting a bunch of Marty Howes. Hopefully I can get the Yzerman rookie. When I opened up the O-Pee-Chee box, I got 2 of them in that box. So at the top set compared to the O-Pee-Chee, there's much fewer cards in this top set, and that means there's a lot fewer rookie cards too. There's still the Yzerman rookie and several others, but it's also missing some rookie cards. Another Marty Howe. Too bad Marty Howe hasn't switched for Steve Yzerman. Would have already opened probably like 3 or 4 of them today. These are kind of all over the place here. There we go. So when I used to collect these back in the day, I'd go for the Oilers cards and also the Islanders. And there's the last 2 cards in that pack. It's interesting, these packs, like I mentioned before, these seem really ahead of their time. I mean, most people, pretty much everyone was doing wax back in these days, and the Topps came out for the hockey with these packs. This looks like it's like a 90s pack, like a mid or late 90s pack. Because they were doing Topps for wax packs for a long time. So yeah, I'm passing up some star cards I see, but not everything's worth putting in a case. This one definitely is. A little bit out of focus, but fairly nice centering, sharp corners. So we've opened up 2 Gretzkys today. There's another rookie card there. I'll set that one aside. I would be surprised if we don't get an Yzerman rookie in this box. It's a cool Curry All-Star card. So I really think with this box, I should be able to put together the entire set with this box. Maybe some subsets too with the all-star cards if I don't do the entire set. I always like this card too. I thought that was a cool card. Another rookie card. And I think this is a rookie card too. Do you guys know if this is a rookie card? I'm pretty sure, because I'm going to put it over in the stack there. It's either rookie or second year. Sometimes I forget. Alright, let's keep opening packs. We have a ton to go in this box. I won't open them all this video, but we'll keep going for a bit. Okay, this pack didn't do the greatest job opening, but recovered quite nicely. And this gum, there we go. Oh, we're getting close to an Yzerman rookie. I can just feel it. We're getting so many Red Wings players in this pack. Another Curry. While we're watching this video, I hope everyone's having a great day so far, and if not, hopefully this video can make it a little bit better. It's always fun opening up cards, especially these older cards like this. I have a ton of fun doing this with everyone. Okay, there we go. That didn't come off too bad. Should have used the freezer trick almost. Marty Howe again, wow. This is like the Marty Howe box. Curry again, so was that 3 of those today? And then like an all-star card or 2 of his. Another Gretzky. I'll take as many Gretzkys as we can get. So is it like, yeah, 2 Gretzkys and 1 all-star Gretzky so far? I bought some single packs of these a while back and did some videos, maybe a few years ago. And I think I got like a couple, I think there's 1 pack, I got like 2 Gretzkys in. And there's just tons of Gretzkys. It's pretty easy to come by his cards in. There we go, another Gretzky. There we go, we did it! Steve Yzerman, rookie, everyone, we did it. Check it out, that is awesome. Cool. Set that aside for sure. So unfortunately my camera battery is getting low, so I'm going to have to end this video soon here. Alright everyone, so what I did is change my camera battery, so I'm actually going to extend this video, and I wanted to show everyone some of the cards I just pulled. I actually put them in some cases already, some of the notable cards. So I have the 2 Gretzkys. And there's the Yzerman rookie, awesome card. And a couple other rookies. This, I did just quickly check, not his rookie card, so this is actually, what, second year card? But anyway, not his rookie card for sure. Let's keep opening up some more packs. I'm going to at least open 3 more. So I'll pull out the 3. Maybe we'll get another Yzerman rookie. Another nice all-star card. Another Curry. Wow. Looks like on the last card it might be a Detroit Red Wings player. So maybe another one of the rookie we're looking for. Nope, so that was Brad Park at the end. So yeah, this set is full of so many stars. They're all turned around here. Another Brad Park. Another Jari Curry. I mean, how many is that? It's got to be at least like 4 or 5. Cool. So I'll make this the last pack for this video. And we still have a bunch more packs to go. Yeah, I'll open the rest of the packs in another video. I'll probably make 1 or 2 more videos at least of the 84 Topps hockey. Bob Murray. Nice Ron Francis. And our last 2 cards, we'll end it with the Dino Ciccarelli. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.